Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Think Big Digital. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to check for TikTok video copyright, and without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. For that, we are going to open the TikTok app. But it's gonna hurt. And then basically, we are going to go to TikTok Studio. And here you can see a gear icon on the upper right corner of that. So here is an option called video sound copyright check. So it says that auto check every time there is a new post. That means if you keep it on, it would actually automatically detect the copyright stuff of any audios you're using in your videos. So TikTok is going to warn you if you are using any original by other people that has copyright issues. Another thing what you can do is go to more tools, and there is an option called account check. If you click on it, it will basically scan your account and see if any of your TikTok video that you have uploaded is under copyright actions or not. So here it is saying that my account is in good standing, so that means I have no video that I have posted that is getting copyright issues. So that's how you actually check for TikTok video copyright. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of us on your For You page, you can subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries regarding this topic, you can comment down below and we will be very glad to help you guys. And that's it for today. We will see you in the next video.